just got home from dropping the girls off at school. I'm starving. I'm about to make me some breakfast. I'm obsessed with the hash brown, the fried egg, salsa, and the hot honey ranch. Like, that's perfection right now. So that's what got the hash browns in the toaster. I'm about to fry the egg. So what is everybody's beef with Nickelback? Like, I really enjoy their music. Why does everybody hate Nickelback? I don't understand. Alexa, skip. I won't change my mind. Yesterday I used regular, I think it was medium chunky salsa. That's gone. So I'm going to try the black bean and corn sauce to see what this is hitting on. A little more cheese. This is my favorite ranch. So good.